So, how to make your photo old in Affinity? Here's how to do it. Go to Adjustments, Brightness and Contrast. Adjust brightness as you like, but decrease contrast. Then Adjustments again, this time Gradient Map. Delete the middle one. Make left like gold or brown color. Do the same for the other, but change it a bit. Make it more like yellow. Change the blending mode to overlay. Decrease the opacity. Go to the adjustments, a gradient map. Again, delete the middle one. Make left black and right white color. Change the blending mode to soft light. You can add other nodes, but it's not must. Decrease opacity. Now, click the first picture and press Ctrl plus J to duplicate it. Then go to Pixel, Filters, Noise, Add Noise. Make intensity 100% and click monochromatic. Hit apply and do it again. Now change the opacity. It kinda looks good already, but let's make it better. Add a new pixel layer and go to the process and click sprays and spatters. Take something like ink spatter. Change the color to gray. Make sure the pixel layer is selected and take brush tool. Adjust the size and just do like this. Change it to the darker gray. And now do the same. Now change it to the brighter gray. Select the smudge brush tool. And now make these kind of smudges so it looks like damage and fingerprints. Go to the blending options and make something like this. Change blending mode to overlay. Duplicate Ctrl plus J and adjust the opacity. Do it once more if needed. So, how did you like it? Let me know in the comments down below. Leave a request and have a nice one. See ya!